Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Grand Cherokee. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, passenger vanity mirror, cloth bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, leather shift knob. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.